Happy Tuesday. So today I'm going to film a retie with you. I'm going to show you how I retie a client's hair. I believe she's had her locks since September of 2023. So that is September, October, November, December, January. About 4 months in. Her hair is doing really well. She still has slippage. She has bunching. She has a lot of different things going on in her head. So I'm going to show you how I work through those things, talk you through it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to the video. Hello everyone. So today we are going to do a retie like I just said in this previous clip. So I wanted to share with you the kinds of things I experienced with retying extensions. This client has fine hair and she's had these since I believe September. I believe I said that in the beginning as well. So when I am parting out a retie, first of all, she's on time. So because she's on time, there's not a whole lot of separating and a whole lot of mirroring between her locks. Now, as you can see, some of them do slide down as I did pull off the end of that extension, as you'll see how I put it back with a crochet needle. Her hair is locking and has started to lock. So some of the extensions are just sliding down because her hair is really soft and fine. So when they do that, if they slide down to a certain point, I will pull them off and add hair up the shaft with a crochet needle where the hair is already locking so that that won't happen again. As you can see here, I just braid it down and then twist it the rest of the way. Now, say a lock is slid down a bit, but it's still on there tight, and when I pull it, it's not coming off. I leave that there to see what's it gonna do for the next retie, to see if I need to remove it forcibly or if I need to just add a little bit of hair above it and then maybe snip it a little bit. So one thing to remember when doing extensions and adding hair to people's hair, everybody's hair is different, so you have to be able to adapt to whatever issues are going on. I think anyone can have micro locks with extensions. It just really depends on your maintenance and what your loctician is willing to do, what they're willing to work on. I have some people that come to me and say, they went to someone and they said, you can't lock your hair because it's too soft. And I am not of that belief. I think you can lock your hair even if it's soft. If anything, I have some clients with really soft hair that come every 3 weeks instead of 4 to help it lock faster, get the maintenance done more consistently and sooner and closer time frames so that their hair will lock faster. So it's all about finding the right schedule for your hair to get your hair where you want it. This client's hair, she doesn't have a lot of slippage. Whenever she comes back, she hasn't lost. She's may have lost maybe a handful, if nothing else. And then as I go through, I may pull off a few more that I feel like should be replaced. But she stays on time. Her reties take about 2.5 to 3 hours, and I enjoy her company. I love her. As you can see, she has like frizzing and bunching, and all of those things are normal. I literally stick to the 3-point rotation for her hair because I just think it fits her hair texture better than a 4-point would. And that's just about everything. If you have any questions about this process, let me know. I can go in more detail, but I figured the video was self-explanatory for the most part. At the end of this retie, I forgot to film her end result, so don't kill me. It's just gonna fade out at the end, but obviously if there's anything else you want to know, just let me know. I'm working through the comments today, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, thanks for watching. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and
last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe.